Oh, welcome, G. Let's talk about the double brace initialization. Okay. So, what is the double brace initialization in the Java, and if you why need this? Okay. So, sometime you want creating object, and at the same time you want to initialize as well as. So, this is used to double brace initialization. Basically, in the case of collections. Okay, whenever you are creating a list or set or hash map, the general way to create object and add the element. So is there any way you can, while the creating object, you can also initialize, like so generally what happen, and generally if you say declare any variable like integer a, so this is the declaration. Okay, this is the declaration. Okay. Okay, declaration. And if you say a equal to 10, this is your initialization. Okay, so or you can say same with similarly, or you can say integer b equal to 20. So here you declare and initialize the same. Similarly, you want here key, let's say we have an object like a list of a string list equal to new array list. So here you are declaring, okay, but we are not initializing any specific value. So generally what we'll do, we write like here list dot add, then you can say 1, then you can say 2, then you can say 3. Generally this is the way we are doing. Okay, so this will work. So here say uh, double brace initialization say कि while creating your array list you can also initialize. So how will do, instead of this, let us instead of writing this, you can write like a new array list. Here takes a double brace initialization. You can make double brace. Here you can initialize like add 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. This is the way. Okay. Similarly, you can. This is the, here you are creating object, with that you can also initialize the setup value. So this is a way you can say double brace initialization while creating the object, at that same time you can initialize. So what's it, this is double brace initialization. And here in this list you can add further element like 4, and you can check here for this is the 4. So this is the, before you can say Java 9 we have option to declare object with initialize. But whenever Java come with the latest version, say you can also do like this way, list of, and you can add element like 1, 2, 3 in this way also. Okay, so this is also way. and you can check it's also created. So this is also simplest way, but here is the minor differences between the both. In the earlier, whatever you created object with declare and initialization, further you can add an element. But here in the case of list, this you cannot do. Like if you want to add like 4 here, and you are trying to just check it, let's see, you cannot. The reason is that list of return immutable corrections. So here you cannot mutate. So this is the one. But let's key I want some kind of a mutation. Then how I'll do? Okay. So sometime you can do this way, or so instead of that you can also look a different way. Like here, there is option is stream off, and you can put value like 1 1 2 3 and just collect to list. Okay, and this 3 you can get, and here you can also add 4. So stream of and collecting list, they return your modifier list. The here you can so this is not allowed, not allowed to update. Okay, not allowed to modify. And here we can say this 3 dot add, and here you can 4. If you want the different way, you can create object and value initialize. So if you are using the list of, please be sure this is return unmodifiable list. You cannot modify it. But in the case of here, stream, and you can able to add element here. And sometimes someone want, we are using stream, but I want to our list should be unmodifiable. So you can also do like here. So here you can say instead of that unmodifiable to unmodifiable list. And here if you try to just add something, here you are specifically say I want to collect list unmodifiable. The here it's not allowed. So stream offer both flavor. You can create collections with a modifiable list, or you can create collection with a unmodifiable list. So right, so this is say you can say a different way to initialize the collections. Maybe here I'm taking example as a list. You can initialize similarly as a set or map. So double brace say कि whenever you're creating your new object, at that time you can create double brace and add the method. And after that, this return list is a modifiable. And latest version of JavaScript, you can also create the list of object with initialize element using the off operator. But this return the unmodifiable list. You cannot add anything. But you want to modifiable list, so we can use stream of. Stream of create the list of collections using your whatever the value you say with the modifiable. But stream have also what you want to unmodifiable, you can unmodifiable. So this is the very simplest way to create collections and initialize with the same time. This is the double brace in creating and initializing Java object in a single expression. So same we have discussed. The first way, whatever the you are creating the new array list, and just start double brace and close double brace. Here you can invoke your functions. Here you can array list, similarly set, similarly map you can do, or you can see the list of, return the unmodifiable collections. You can use stream of return modifiable collections, or you can also use kind of a unmodifiable collection as well. As the stream offers both. You can stream return modifiable or unmodifiable, but list always return your unmodifiable. So this is about double brace object initialization. Basically this majorly help in the case of collections. Okay, so again, thank you for watching this video.